Good morning, students. Today we will going to start with the very first chapter from the book Hornbill, that is Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. So students, as you can see, the name of the chapter is The Portrait of a Lady. So what does basically portrait means? Portrait means sketch, a picture or a drawing of a lady, right? Of which lady he is talking about? Khushwant Singh is talking about. Khushwant Singh is basically talking about his grandmother. So, students, in this story, he will going to show you the live sketch of grandmother. This story is very emotional and touching story in which you will going to find very strong and strengthened relationship between a grandmother and grandson who enjoys each other company a lot, who spend their time all together. But what happened in the story is the turning point. Just because of some reason, Khushwant Singh parents left Khushwant Singh in the village with his grandmother and they went to city. Now after that, grandmother take lot of care of Khushwant Singh, like she woke him up in the morning and got him ready for school. She went to school with him. She used to do each and everything for Khushwant Singh, right? So, students, a turning point which occurred in their friendship was when Khushwant Singh joined English medium school, because according to grandmother, English medium school is a school where no teaching is done. So students, when narrator Khushwant Singh went up to the university, their basically common link of friendship was broken. So here grandmother was feeling very lonely, and from sunrise to sunset she sat all alone spinning her wheels and reciting prayers. And she also used to feed sparrows at that time because she was all alone. And actually this is one of the happiest hour of this day for for his grandmother. Afterwards, Khushwant Singh decided to go to abroad for further studies. And when he decided to go at that time, grandmother bid him a farewell by kissing him on his forehead. By this, Khushwant Singh thought that this is actually the last meeting with her. But it was not the last meeting. When he came back, after 5 years, she received him at the station again. And at that time, she was looking the same as she used to look 5 years ago. She was very happy. She celebrated the homecoming of her grandson by thumping an old drum, and she started singing songs. At that day, she forget to pray, and she was so much enjoying the overcoming of Khushwant Singh that she overtired herself and she fell ill. When she fell ill, she got to know that her end was actually quite near. And at that time, she lay peacefully in bed. She started praying and telling her beads. And on that day, all of a sudden, she was not feeling well and she died. When she died, thousands of sparrows came over there. When thousands of sparrows scattered over there, that day actually there was no chirping by them. That was actually, they were really mourning, they were feeling very sad. Why they were feeling very sad? Because these sparrows actually spend most of the time with grandmother. And by seeing all these things, Khushwant Singh became very upset. he started missing his grandmother. Khushwant Singh's mother at that time, his mother, threw that small crumbs of bread to the sparrows, but that day sparrows didn't even notice that. And finally, what they did, they just flew away quietly with her dead body when it was carried off. So, students, this was all about this story. Here, actually, in this story, it tells the strong relationship between the grandmother and the grandson.